What's up, guys? And you can say I'm Mark Minecraft 49. It's gonna go. Eh, basta- and what's up, guys? I'm Mark Minecraft, and today I'm gonna show you how to turn Minecraft Java in your Minecraft video. Starting it, click the setting. Scroll down, find the video. Click the video and scroll down. And you can see I'm Pocket. It will turn into classic, something like that. If you click display, okay, that's like that. Your screen is like that. Okay, and it's creating the word, new word. Okay, turn in survival, and I'm clicking a hardcore. So guys, you can see my heart is going down, and my hunger is going down. And you go in item, you can see my item is changing. And that's it in today's video. Goodbye, guys. See you into the next video.